The buzz around the forthcoming Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro is already building, with leaks and renders hinting at a host of exciting features. Here's a rundown of what we know so far. Design overhaul for Pixel 9 series. The Pixel 9 series is expected to break away from tradition with a sleek, flat-sided design reminiscent of the iPhone 12 and 15 series. Both Pixel 9 models are likely to feature redesigned camera bars. Leaked renders suggest that the Pixel 9 Pro will maintain its curved corners, adhering to Google's material design principles, while the Pixel 9 could sport a distinctive oval-shaped camera island, similar to the Pixel Fold. The shift from a dual lens to a triple lens system indicates significant camera enhancements. Get ready to be amazed by groundbreaking design changes, camera upgrades, and a faster processor. Don't miss out on the chance to be the first to know about the next big thing in the world of smartphones. Pixel 9 series display. The Google Pixel 9 is rumored to feature a 6.5-inch display, slightly smaller than the 6.7-inch panel on the Pixel 8 Pro. This aligns with previous reports of Google aiming for a more compact design for the Pixel 9 series. The display is also expected to offer a Quad HD resolution for crisper visuals and potentially higher brightness for improved outdoor visibility. Camera upgrades on the horizon. The Pixel 9 camera is set to deviate from its predecessors, the Pixel 6, 7, and 8, with a new rear camera module housing 3 lenses. The new design is expected to abandon the wide-spanning camera bar in favor of a unique, Pixel Fold-inspired oval shape. The inclusion of a periscope telephoto lens suggests significant improvements in optical features, potentially introducing variable aperture. These camera upgrades point to a more robust camera performance, sure to appeal to photography enthusiasts. Faster processor for Pixel 9 series. A recent My Smart Price report revealed a new Google smartphone, codenamed Takei, in the Geekbench 5 benchmark database. This device, likely the Pixel 9, is equipped with a new chipset, possibly the Tensor G4, Google's 4th-generation chipset. Despite scoring lower than the current flagships, the Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro in the single-core and multi-core benchmarks, the chipset's 8 cores and Mali G715 GPU, coupled with 8 GB of RAM, promise impressive performance. Pricing speculation for Pixel 9 series. Leaks indicate that the Pixel 9 series may adopt a different pricing strategy compared to previous Pixel phones. For context, the Pixel 8 series, the Pixel 8, and the Pixel 8 Pro were launched in India at $900 and $1,300 respectively. Potential new Pixel model. Rumors are swirling about a potential third model in the Pixel 9 series, which could serve as a bridge between the budget-friendly Pixel 7a and the more premium Pixel 9 variants. This speculated model is expected to have a smaller form factor and fewer features than the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, akin to the Pixel 8. If this comes to fruition, the third Pixel model could provide consumers with a wider range of options within the Pixel lineup, catering to various preferences and budgets. Official confirmation pending. As of now, Google has not officially confirmed any details about the upcoming Pixel phones. Google typically reveals initial details about its forthcoming Pixel phones at the Google I/O event, but no information has been released about the event or the upcoming lineup yet.